Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Kasie, and I have Luna here with me today. A snack? She works for food. It is super hot today, so, ignore the tank top, although sometimes that's just me. The feels like is 109 degrees, and today, Luna and Goliath went to daycare, and I picked them up early because it was so hot. So I figured we just got the BarkBox in today for August. So I figured we could hang out and do a little unboxing. So let's see what she gets today. Here's the BarkBox. And she gets the Super Chewer box. We have another pup, Goliath, but after daycare, he is just knocked out. He's 85 pounds. He's a big lab. I'll put a picture up somewhere. And Luna is 65 pounds, and she's just a little pitty. She's a pretty pitty. Everyone thinks she's a little bit older because she's got that gray around her muzzle, but they think she's about 3 years old. She's a rescue pup, so. All right, here it is today, Luna. We have PB dish lickers. That's so cute. Bark and Grill. Nice. All right, let's see. What do you have, Luna? So they always come in this box, and it has a little, like sometimes stories or fun things, and it'll describe the toys and stuff. So, you ready? Now, the box we have usually has, or has always had, I think, 2 toys, and then 2 of these sticks. Oh, we got a new stick today, Lou. This is Pure Love Chicken Stick Recipe. And this one is pumpkin and honey. I feel like we've got a lot of pumpkin and honey and beef recipes of the same one. But this one is chicken stick. You wanna try one of them? See what she thinks of it. Oh, I can barely break it. You excited? Well, yeah. Okay, let's see what else we have. So remember, this is the Bark and Grill. So they have a little steak. We should open it, but it's so cute. And it's heavy. These Super Chewer boxes are... Oh, you want this one? You want to play with this one? I didn't know it was a squeaker. All right. But I feel like if I give it to her, we're going to lose her and she's not going to come back in the camera. Oh, what's this one? Can we put it here for now? And then I'll throw it before the video's over. All right, we have Mega Moo Jerky Bites. Beef Long Recipe. Oh. She threw it on the ground. And we have Magic Morsels with Oatmeal. Crunchy biscuits. Those are different. So a couple of different things in the box this time. And this one is Funyun Tower. It's Funyuns, it's little onion rings. That's cute. Super cute. So the toys we have gotten in our box are for large dogs, 50 pounds or more. This is a treat dispensing wacky roll. So you can put treats in there and let it shake around and the treats fall out. This one you'd need some small treats in here because my finger barely fits in there. So they would have to be pretty small. And it is dishwasher safe. So I like that because, they get slimy if you don't. So that was all that was in this box. We have 2 big toys. 2 bags of snacks, and then the 2 things of sticks. So that seems to be the same in every box. The toys change, but just a little bit. So each box for different, some are Super Chewers, some of the other ones, they have different toys in there. You can see we got the steak, but they have Clean Plate Award. Oh, that's so cute. You can, cut little things out, and they always have something cute on them, the puppy page. So, and this toy, this one here says to spread some peanut butter on, so it's a little lickable thing. So, you want another one? She likes these little plucky jerky bars that were in July's box. So, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. I will put a link above somewhere for the July BarkBox. But does your puppy like BarkBoxes? I think they're super fun for the dogs. Now, I don't go through all of the toys. I honestly save some for Christmas gifts for my mom's dog and my niece's dog and my sister's dog and my other sister's dog. So usually it comes with 2. I'll give her 1, Goliath shares. He could care less. He likes the little plushy toys. So, you want to see him? He's sleeping. Oh, well. I was going to show you him, but that's the other side of the living room. All right, everybody. Don't mind the little fall. It was the only puppies I had on a blanket, so I thought that was cute today. All right, Luna, you want to come up here and say goodbye? Let's see. Luna, come. Luna, come. Up. Good girl, sit. Good girl. She's sweet. Have a kiss. Can I kiss this? You're drooling on me. She's literally drooling. All right, one more. Good girl. Oh, you dropped it. All right, everybody, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy these teacher pet corners. There's a couple videos on there that I've introduced her when I first got her over a year ago. Just trying to find some fun teacher pet to go with the teachers. And I love my pups. So that's it. All right, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Have an awesome day. Oh, and if you like BarkBox or if you're thinking about getting it for your dog, please use our link below because then Luna and Goliath get a couple extra treats. And they would love it. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. See you all next time. Bye. You say bye?